I'm gonna give you 5 seconds.
I'm
One end up. Let's go.
I'm asking to communicate. You're telling me not to communicate?
Let's go. Let's walk. Let's walk. We'll talk outside. Yeah, they're gonna get a refund.
I'm gonna get a refund?
Yeah.
They're gonna help you out.
Is there like a warrant out for my arrest or something? Because if that's the case, you can arrest me right now. I'm not worried about that. Thank you. Wait.
On August 7th, 2025, Broward County deputies responded to Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport for a passenger boarding denial.
How you doing, sir? So this one just came up to me behind me. She put hands on me right now, but it was completely like, I had gone to talk to your buddy over there, Taylor, and I told him that I had 2 possible happy hours that I'm probably going to deny boarding because they're being loud and disruptive. She was one of them. She just came up to me from behind me, put hands on me. She's like, hey, excuse me.
When you say put hands on you, she just touched you or did
she touched my bag.
Okay.
She came from behind me. So, I'm probably not going to let him on the plane, so I'm anticipating that's going to be an issue because they were on the phone really loud, yelling in person a few minutes ago.
Which 2 ladies?
So it's the one that just came up here and the one that was sitting in front of her, but I think she must have gone to the restroom. Because her bag is right there. But there's 2 of them. This is one of them. That's her right there. Because she actually left her phone, passport, and this boarding pass. She left it at TSA. TSA supervisor brought it to us. When she got up here to talk to us, she was like all loud and, the flight's been delayed 3 hours and this is a bartender delay and all this. I'm like, I'm not going to have none of that. So I was just typing a message to operation when she came up behind me. She said, is this the right gate?
What time are they boarding?
Plane just got here, so it's going to be 10 minutes of training, 5 minutes for cleaning, something like that. About 15, 20 minutes we'll probably start boarding. I'm anticipating not letting them on the plane and then getting really loud. So that's the reason I spoke to her.
I think we have more deputies coming in once they get here.
Okay.
We'll just,
that's cool.
instead of waiting until you guys start boarding, pretty much
Just
make
talk to
contact from
them.
the get-go.
Okay, that sounds good. I appreciate it. I'm not. Because what's going to happen is they're going to get on the plane and the flight attendants are going to call me to get them off. And that just takes longer. I'm just not going to let them.
That's because they were intoxicated.
Yeah.
Like,
they've been really loud and obnoxious. And people actually were looking at them, recording them.
You just have to refuse them and then escort them.
oh, yeah.
Just have you talk to them.
Tell them, hey, you guys can't fly, and then we'll escort them.
Wonderful world-class people. Check out our main
How are you? Can I see your boarding pass?
Yeah. You can definitely see my boarding pass right here.
I'm going to need to see the whole boarding pass.
Right here.
Okay. What's your name?
Sirana.
I need to take a photo of that, unless you have
A photo of what?
of the boarding pass.
Why?
Because I need to have your boarding pass.
That's fine. Whatever you need to do.
Have you had anything to drink today?
Somebody came in. Can you grab that?
No.
You haven't?
Because I don't know what's
Oh,
going
I saw
on.
you with a drink on your hand.
Are you with them?
That was fruit punch. Is there a problem?
together?
No, we're not.
Okay.
As you
Have
can see from my boarding pass. I mean, this man,
So, excuse me.
What's
your name?
That one,
I can't even make this up. I'm not even trying to find an issue.
Because I don't know what he's
Serrano? So you're denying them, right?
Do I know the girls that I was with? I just met these girls at the airport.
Hey, listen. What's your first name?
Serrano.
Serrano. Step over here so we can talk real quick so I can explain to you what's going on. So I can explain to you what's going on.
At this time, I'm letting you know you're in violation of the contract of carriage, and because you
What's the contract of carriage?
Because you
I asked you a question.
Okay, don't get loud with me.
I asked
just
the
trying to
question.
explain something to you.
Okay, can you explain
At
it?
this time, you're being denied boarding. You're not going to be able
I'm
to
being
get
denied boarding. That's fine. Give me my boarding pass,
I don't have your boarding
and I will let them
It's on the phone.
explain that to me.
It's on the phone.
What? Why am I being denied boarding?
Do you have any explain?
Explain you out here.
I'm asking right now.
No.
I don't want to move until I understand why I'm moving.
As of right now, it's just because they believe that you're intoxicated, so they're denying.
So they feel like I'm intoxicated.
That's the
So I will call an Uber to go home. You don't want me to go to Atlanta? It's Atlanta. Don't push me. Please don't push me. I can walk on my own.
So walk. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to walk.
I don't care about getting on this flight. I will walk myself out of the airport. You're mad because I don't want to get on the flight? Is it bigger than that? Because if it is, then just say that.
Let's go.
No.
I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. One end up.
Let's go.
I'm asking to communicate. You're telling me not to communicate?
Let's go. Let's walk. Let's walk. We'll talk outside. Yeah, let's get a refund.
I'm gonna get a refund?
Yeah.
They're gonna help you out.
Is there like a warrant out for my arrest or something? Because if that's the case, you can arrest me right now. I'm not worried about that. Thank you. Wait. Let me.
That's what you wanted.
Now you're going to jail.
Okay. It was. You should have just said that. Why am I being stupid? Can you take my badge?
No. Now you're going to jail.
You guys are gonna let them lose
Let's go.
my badge?
Let's go.
You didn't let them lose my badge? Oh, so they got my badge. No,
Hey,
that's ridiculous. What's the problem
Hey,
with
can you bring your card
communicating?
to?
It's a problem
I'll
with
do the PC. Can you bring
communicating.
your card to?
I'm right here.
It should not be a
Okay,
problem with
Oh,
communicating.
you want me to meet you at
Yeah, you have to leave my feet.
Oh,
Yeah.
now you got to figure it out. I just want to know, are we communicating?
325.
Why are you pulling on me?
Let's go.
Please do not tug on me.
I'm not.
Can you explain to me what's going on?
Miss,
I'm listening.
give you chances to walk out.
Uh-huh.
For you to walk out.
Uh-huh.
You're disorderly.
Okay.
Intoxicated.
Okay. So now
Causing a
what?
scene. Now you're going to jail.
Oh, okay. If that's the worst. Shit. What the f? Because I'm being disorderly conduct inside of an airport.
Intoxication.
Because I spoke too loud inside of an airport. Make it make sense. The flight that I paid for, the money that I spent to be at this airport, but I'm being arrested because I didn't act the way you guys wanted me to act. It's fine. Yeah, use this as content as you need because it's f***ed up. Yes, you guys stood there and you saw me buy another drink and you never stopped it or said anything about the laws and terms and conditions or whatever the f*** it was. You did that on purpose. I don't care, and I could walk on my own.
No.
You don't have to hold me so tight. That's the fucking problem.
My responsibility.
It's now I'm your responsibility.
No.
But I was not your responsibility when you stood there an hour before you arrested me and you stood there and watched me buy a drink. You stood there and watched me buy another drink on top of that. Why am I being so loud? Because you were loud when you arrested me in front of all the passengers that I bought a flight to get on. Do you understand that?
That's why you can jail.
And that's why I'm going to jail because I bought a ticket to get on a flight with other passengers. That's why? Make it make sense.
Hey.
What you just said. Make it make sense. You can't. I don't make it easy at all. I work for corporate America too. I'm a U.S. citizen. I pay taxes. I don't give a f*** about what you're talking about.
Can you start me female deputy at 325?
Please do not talk and pull on me.
Ma'am, I'm just escorting you out.
You can say something out of your mouth. Right, left. I work hard in this f***ing country. I work 2 jobs. And you trying to tell me I can get on a flight because I had an extra drink? I work hard for that extra drink. The f*** is you talking about? I don't care. I don't care. Come on. Where's the truck? Let me get my bologna f***ing sandwich since you want to take me to jail so bad.
Give me a second.
Friend, can you hear me? I cannot talk to my friend because she's probably going to be the one to bomb me out. So you don't want nobody to help me. Okay, bet. Can you let me go? I have the handcuffs on.
Relax.
But you don't want nobody to help me either. You disconnect the call from my friend.
Relax.
No, because you're being a fucking asshole. You disconnected the call from me and my best friend. The only person that's going to help me. The only person that's going to help me.
Can you hold her? No. Turn around.
Why did you hang up my phone call? Why did you hang up my phone call? Stop pushing me. Stop pushing me. Let him touch me. Let them touch me. No, I don't want him to touch me. No, he's been extra pressure. I don't want him to.
Do you have anything on you that's going to bother you?
No, I do not.
Okay.
I do not.
Good.
I just don't like the way he's pressuring me. And he hung up the phone on my best friend, the only person that I have that can possibly bond me out.
Do you have a bra?
He's trying to prove a point.
Do you have a bra?
Do it look like I have a bra?
I don't know.
I do not. What is my charge again?
Watch yourself.
Officer?
I'm not arresting you. I'm transporting you.
Oh, you're transporting. Can you tell me what the charge
He'll
is?
tell you.
So you can't tell me?
No, I can't.
Okay, fine. Can you open the door?
Can you unlock it? Legs.
Take it easy. Relax. Have a seat.
For your safety, please do not leave baggage unattended.
What followed demonstrates how airline authority intersects with criminal law, and how one misdemeanor can cascade into felony charges through lawful evidence discovery. Under 14 CFR Part 121.580, airline crew have explicit authority to refuse transport to passengers who may endanger aircraft safety. This includes passengers appearing intoxicated. The contract of carriage every passenger accepts when purchasing a ticket is legally enforceable. Florida Statute 856.011 establishes 3 required elements for disorderly intoxication. First, the person must be intoxicated. Second, in a public place. Third, causing a public disturbance or endangering safety. Airport terminals qualify as public places under Florida law. The disturbance element is satisfied by loud profanity in family environments. The totality of circumstances doctrine from Illinois versus Gates allows officers to consider multiple factors together. Employee complaints, observed behavior, inconsistent statements about alcohol consumption, and real-time escalating agitation all combine to establish probable cause. Notice the deputy's questioning technique. When the subject denies drinking, he immediately challenges that with his own observation. Her change from denial to claiming fruit punch creates an inconsistency that becomes part of the probable cause analysis. Officers are not required to accept implausible explanations that contradict witnessed behavior. Once deputies inform her of the boarding denial, her escalating agitation provides real-time observation of the disturbance element. The deputy is witnessing firsthand the behavior airline staff described, strengthening probable cause from witness accounts to direct observation. Graham versus Connor from 1989 establishes that use of force must be objectively reasonable from the officer's perspective at that moment. The deputies use minimal arm control techniques proportional to verbal and passive physical resistance. No strikes, no takedowns, no weapons deployed, despite active resistance. This demonstrates textbook restraint under the Graham standard. The force used sits at the lowest end of the continuum, exactly matching the level of resistance encountered. A critical principle: the time to challenge an arrest is in court, not during the encounter. Resistance, even passive, constitutes a separate criminal offense. Florida Statute 843.02 criminalizes resisting arrest without violence. Her pulling away and refusal to walk satisfy these elements. Courts have consistently held that citizens may not resist arrest, even if they believe the arrest is unlawful. The remedy for improper arrest is a civil lawsuit or suppression motion in criminal court, not physical resistance. United States versus Robinson from 1973 governs search incident to lawful arrest. Once a lawful custodial arrest is effectuated, officers may conduct a full search of the person without a warrant. This is an established exception to the Fourth Amendment's warrant requirement, serving officer safety and evidence preservation. Because the disorderly intoxication arrest was supported by probable cause, the subsequent search is constitutionally valid. The discovery of Schedule II oxycodone and Schedule IV alprazolam during this lawful search becomes admissible evidence. Florida Statute 893.13 criminalizes possession of controlled substances without valid prescription. This illustrates a fundamental principle. One criminal offense provides the lawful basis for discovering additional unrelated crimes. The misdemeanor public intoxication case transforms into third-degree felony possession of Schedule II controlled substances. This charge carries up to 5 years in state prison. When the initial arrest is lawful, all evidence discovered flows from that valid seizure. The deputy receives a grade of B+. His probable cause analysis was sound, force application was restrained, and legal procedures were followed. All three elements of disorderly intoxication were documented through multiple sources before arrest. His use of force remained proportional despite resistance, and the search incident to arrest was textbook correct. Deductions stem from communication deficiencies. He failed to clearly state specific charges at the moment of arrest. While not constitutionally required, best practice suggests clearly articulating the offense, reduces confusion and resistance. His response of, "They'll tell you at booking," was legally sufficient, but tactically suboptimal for de-escalation. The passenger receives a grade of D-. Her behavior satisfied all elements of Florida Statute 856.011. Loud profanity and disruptive conduct in a family environment provided the disturbance element in a public airport terminal. Her inconsistent statements about alcohol consumption strengthened probable cause against her. Most critically, she engaged in passive resistance to lawful arrest, which is independently criminal under Florida law. This resistance justified increased force and demonstrated fundamental misunderstanding that verbal explanations cannot override probable cause. Her possession of Schedule II oxycodone and Schedule IV alprazolam without prescription constituted separate felony violations. What could have been a simple boarding denial escalated through her own conduct into charges carrying potential state prison time. Key lessons. First, airline safety determinations are legally enforceable under federal aviation regulations. Arguing with gate agents or law enforcement cannot override the carrier's authority to deny boarding. Second, public intoxication laws apply in airports identically to any public space. Behavior acceptable at a private party becomes criminal when it disturbs others in family environments like airport terminals. Third, never resist arrest, regardless of whether you believe it's justified. Resistance adds charges, justifies force, and has never been recognized as legal, even for wrongful arrests. Challenge arrests in court where legal protections exist, not on the street where you have none. Fourth, understand that lawful arrest enables search of your person, which can reveal contraband you thought was hidden. One minor violation cascades into multiple serious charges when additional crimes are discovered during constitutional searches. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel for more police interaction and courtroom content.